How to restore deleted playlists on Spotify. Easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to restore deleted playlist on Spotify. So let's get started. What you have to do is you guys will open up your Spotify on your laptop or PC, or you can also open it up on your mobile phone if you want. So once you get to your Spotify, if you have deleted a playlist that you created and you want to restore it, it's actually really easy. You are here, you have to click on your profile and then click on account. So it will open up your spotify.com/account overview, and we can log in and it will give you your account overview. So here, what you guys need to do is you will click on recover playlist. We have different options given here. You have to select recover playlist. Select this one and it will open up the playlist that you have deleted. So you can see I deleted this playlist recently, and you can see if you deleted a playlist within the last 90 days, you can get it back. Find the playlist you want to recover below and click restore. So this is the playlist that I want to restore actually. So I'm gonna just click on restore here, and you can see it's restored. Now this deleted playlist is restored. I'll just go back to my account now, and you can see I have one playlist here, and then the second one that I deleted has been restored. And this is how you can restore playlist on Spotify. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.